Here's the confirmed schedule for the Pakistan vs Afghanistan opening match of the 2025 T20I Tri Nation Series in the UAE plus the full tournament details. First T20I, Pakistan vs Afghanistan. Date, Friday the 29th of August 2025. Time, 1900 local time Sharjah UAE, which is 7 p.m. Sharjah time. Venue, Sharjah Cricket Stadium, Sharjah, UAE. Full Tri-Series schedule, all matches at Sharjah. Based on sources including Wikipedia, PCB, and ICC. Match no. Date fixture time, local Sharjah. 1:29 August 2025 Afghanistan vs Pakistan 1900 7 p.m. To the 30th of August 2025 UAE vs Pakistan 1900. 3-1 September 2025 UAE vs Afghanistan 1900. 4-2 September 2025 Pakistan vs Afghanistan 1900. 5-4 September 2025 Pakistan vs UAE 1900. 6-5 September 2025 Afghanistan vs UAE 1900. Final the 7th of September 2025 Final top 2 teams 1900. Sources: Wikipedia Tri-Series page. PCB press release confirming first match details at 7 p.m. local. ICC media release also listing full schedule. Summary. The opening match between Pakistan and Afghanistan kicks off the series on the 29th of August 2025 at 7 p.m. local time in Sharjah. All subsequent matches, including the final on the 7th of September 2025, follow the same venue and timing pattern. This tri-series is intended as a key warm-up for the Asia Cup and features a double round-robin format with the top 2 teams facing off in the final. Let me know if you'd like details like TV broadcast info, squad lists, or points table once the series starts.